Hello children, once again I am here with the online classes of lesson. Which lesson we are going on? Decimals. Okay. So in decimal lesson, today we are going to study how to add and subtract the decimals. It's very easy and important also. Okay. Once you know how to add the decimals, you can add any decimal numbers. Okay. Now see. Addition and subtraction of decimals. The very important point here to note that first you will convert the given decimals into like decimals. Suppose my question is you have to add 0.2 and 0.64. Okay, 0.2 and 0.64. Now as you can see here, these are unlike decimals. As here number of decimal places 1 and here it is 2. So what we do, first convert the given decimals into like decimal. Now here 2 decimal places in here 1. So I can make this decimal place as 2. So what I will do, 0.2 and I will put here 1 more 0. Add 1 more 0 here. So 0.20. So 0.20 and 0.2 both are same. And now you can see this will remain as it is. Now this and this number of decimal places are same. And this is how to convert the given decimal into like decimals. After that, you have to arrange the numbers one under the other in columns such that their decimal points are in the same column. So this point will be more clear if we take this example. Okay. Now first of all, see whether you have in this example all the places like. No. Here 1 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, and here how many decimal places? 2. So first you will convert the given decimals into like decimals and then you will add. Okay. So 4.56 will be as it is plus 0.8. So here you need one more decimal place. So here what we had 0.80 plus 32.50. 32.50. Okay. Now you have to arrange these decimals, arrange the numbers one under the other in columns such that their decimal point also are in the same column. So let's write 4.56. Now this is what 0.80. What I said, your decimal should be one below the other in column. And the numbers also. Here integral part is 0, 8, 0. Now here you see, this is the decimal place. Before the decimal place, 2 and 3 is there. So this is 2 and 3, 32. See, and 5, 0. So after writing in columns, just match with the horizontal line that both are same or not. In reading, 4.56, 4.56. 0.80, 0.80, 32.50, 32.50. So in this way you will arrange the numbers one under the other in columns such that their decimal points are in the same column. And now you have to add as we do in case of numbers also. In the same way we have to add. Now addition starts from this place. 6 plus 0 plus 0 will be 6. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8, 18, 8, carry 1. And as here decimal, so here also decimal will be in the same column. Okay. Now 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. And here only 3, so you can write 3. Here also you can put 0 if you want. Okay. So 37.86 is the answer of this question. Now let's see this one. Here first check the decimal places. Here 2 decimal places, here 3 decimal places, and here there is no decimal place. So how you have to equalize this decimal part, means you have to convert into like decimal. So 14.44. Here 2, 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So here you have to put 1 dot, 1 0. Okay. And now 6.234 will be as it is. For 18, what you will do, as there is no decimal place, so what you will put? You will put the dot and 1, 2, 3 zeros you have to add. Now you can see this all are like decimals. So now there is no question of any mistake in the answer. Now arrange in the same way as we have done in the first sum. So 14.440. Again point also one below the other. 6.234. 18.000. Now add 4 plus 3 7 as we do in numbers. 4 plus 2 6, and here also decimal. 6 plus 4 10, 18, 8, carry 1 and 3. So this is what 38.674 is the answer, and this is how to add the numbers. And the same steps you have to follow in the subtraction of the decimal also, and then we have to subtract as we do in the simple numbers. Okay, let's see that also. Let's see children, subtraction of decimals. Heading is subtract 8.752 minus 4.9. Again first you will convert the given decimals into like decimals, and then we are subtracting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 decimal places, and here how many only 1 places. So it will be like this, 752 minus 4.9. How many zeros you have to add now? 2 zeros. Okay, now write in columns, arrange the numbers in columns 4.900 and subtract. Now you know as we do in numbers, in the same way you have to subtract 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 0, 5. Now can you subtract 9 from 7? No. So as we cannot subtract 9 from 7, so you have to borrow from this place digit. What is there? 8. So we borrow 1 for this place, it becomes 17. As we borrowed 1 from 8, what is left here? 7. This you will write at first only, and then you will simplify the example. And now 17 minus 9, 8. 7 minus 4 will be what? 4. So subtract carefully. Now here see, here 100 is written only, there is no decimal part. And here decimal places how many? 2. So to equalize the decimal part, what we put? Here we put 1, here we put dot and add 2 zeros. So this 100 become what? 100.00. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places, and here 36.48. Here there is no digit, so you can write here 0. Now you have to subtract this. Now see how to subtract this also. Can we subtract 8 from 0? No. So you have to borrow from this place. But here also you can see what is there? 0. So we can't borrow any number from 0. So move to the next place. Here also 0. So move to the next place. Now move to the next place. What is here? 1. So from 1, you will borrow 1 first for this place. So it becomes what? 10. And as we have borrowed 1 from 1, so what is left here? 0. Now you want 1 for this 0. So borrow from 10, and what will be here? Here it will be 10. And what is left at this place? Wait. Let me write this here. 100 minus 36.4. Okay. Now 1 we borrowed from this place. What is there? 10. So 1 borrowed from 10. What is left here? 9. In the same way, here borrow 1 from 10 for this place, and what is left here? 9. Borrow 1 for this place, and what is left here? 9. In this way you will borrow. You will not jump from this place to here direct. Okay? Go step by step and simplify. Now 10 minus 8 is what? 2. 9 minus 4, 5. Dot will remain as it is. 9 minus 6, 3. And 9 minus 3 is what? 6. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is the answer? 63.52. Okay. And in this way, you can add and subtract the decimals. I hope today whatever we have studied, you understood very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.